Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Waldorf salad dressing. Start with the core ingredients for a classic Waldorf salad dressing. You'll need good quality mayonnaise, fresh lemon juice, and a touch of sugar to balance the tang. Whisk these together until they are well combined and smooth. This forms the creamy base that will coat your fruit and nuts beautifully, creating a delightful texture and taste. To elevate your dressing, a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper are crucial for bringing out the flavors. For an extra layer of brightness, a dash of apple cider vinegar works wonders. Don't forget a small amount of Dijon mustard. It adds a sophisticated, savory note without overpowering the other ingredients, making your dressing truly special. Achieving the right consistency is key. If your dressing is too thick, you can thin it out with a tablespoon or two of milk or cream until it reaches your desired pourable texture. Whisk everything vigorously for a minute or two to ensure it's fully emulsified and smooth. Then, chill the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When you're ready to serve, gently toss your freshly made dressing with crisp apples, crunchy celery, sweet grapes, and toasted walnuts. This ensures every piece is perfectly coated. Any leftover dressing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great finds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.